This episode of MetroCat is called Soccer, a game of passion, a symphony of teamwork, and a testament to human endurance. Soccer, or football as it's known in many parts of the world, is a sport that captivates millions. Whether you're a beginner, seasoned pro, or a veteran, there's always something new to learn and master in this beautiful game. To start, we dive into the basics. Soccer begins with the fundamentals. Solid passing, accurate shooting, and masterful dribbling form the backbone of any great player. Remember, accuracy often trumps power in passing and shooting. For beginners, it's crucial to develop a feel for the ball. Practice dribbling in different directions and control the ball with both feet. Now, on to the pros. You've mastered the basics, but the journey is far from over. To elevate your gameplay, focus on your tactical understanding. Positioning, anticipation, and reading the game are skills that separate the good players from the great. One vital tip is to always keep your head up. This simple habit can drastically improve your awareness on the field. For those seasoned veterans out there, you understand that soccer is as much a mental game as it is a physical one. Mental toughness, leadership, and the ability to motivate others are key aspects that can turn a match around. Never underestimate the power of a well-timed pep talk or a motivating call to action. Defensive players, whether you're just starting out, a seasoned pro, or a battle-hardened veteran, always remember that your primary responsibility is to disrupt the attacking play. It's a game of timing and positioning, where your every move can determine the course of the game. An essential strategy to master is directing your opponent into a less threatening area of the field, thereby reducing their chances of scoring. But that's not all. Communication among defenders is paramount. Like pieces on a chessboard, every player needs to know their role and position. It helps to avoid gaps in the defense line and increases the team's ability to counterattack quickly. One crucial role in the defense line is the sweeper. Sweeper is a player positioned behind the line of defenders. This player has a bird's-eye view of the game, intercepting balls that pass through the last line of defense, and is commonly the last line of defense before goalkeeper. In addition, the art of marking opponents effectively is key. This means staying close to an opponent to prevent them from receiving the ball or ensuring they have less time with the ball when they receive it. Effective marking also includes blocking passing routes and making it harder for the opposing team to progress down the field. Remember, defense is not just about preventing goals. It's about strategic plays, strong communication, and absolute synchronization on the field. For the goalkeepers out there, your role is unique. You're the last line of defense, and often the first line of attack. Quick decision-making, fearless diving, and commanding your area are all skills of a top-notch goalkeeper. Finally, no discussion of soccer would be complete without mentioning the importance of fitness. It's an integral part of the game at every level. Regular conditioning, flexibility exercises, and maintaining a balanced diet will keep you at the top of your game. In conclusion, soccer is a multifaceted game with a myriad of elements to master. From the basic fundamentals for beginners, tactical understanding for pros, to mental toughness for veterans, each aspect plays a vital role in making you a complete player. Remember, soccer isn't just about the individual. It's about being part of a team and playing for something bigger than yourself. So whether you're just starting out, looking to elevate your game, or seeking to impart wisdom on the next generation, remember these key points. Master the basics, develop your tactical understanding, show mental toughness, understand your role, and prioritize your fitness. In the beautiful game of soccer, every day is a chance to learn and grow. This is MetroCat, signing off until the next episode. Keep playing, keep learning, and most importantly, keep enjoying the game.